going on, guys? I'm so excited to make this video today. Finally gonna put on my exhaust. Took only fucking 6 days to get in, but things look beautiful though. Check that thing out. Sorry about the mulch bag. Thing is nice. Right, before I show you how to put the exhaust on, I'm gonna do a little bit before the stock exhaust no clip. As you can see, it's a complete cold start. Sounds like a scooter. Alright, start off, you might want to take your seat off. You don't have to do this step. I'm just doing it because I don't want to take out my little plate recalibration kit. You can take these two screws out, bottom down here. That gives you extreme access to the bottom of the servo, so you can take the servo cable out. Alright, so I didn't order the eliminator kit, so I'm gonna keep my servo in there, and maybe in the future I'll end up deleting it. But the point is you want to take this cable out of the bottom of this servo. It's pretty easy, just slides right out of here. And I'm gonna put my servo back in. And alright guys, next step is to take off this bolt right here. You wanna get a wrench behind it. So, as you can see it right here, you should have a nut. So if this bolt starts spinning, put a wrench behind it, and you can take that bolt out. So once you take that bolt out, there's a clamp. I'm trying to see if I can see it. It's right here. Zoom this in real quick. So right here, there should be a bolt, like right here where my finger is. You should take that bolt out, and you should be able to slide this whole thing out. So I'm gonna do that now. I get that clamp off and this O2 sensor off.
You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go. Look, see, I remember when I met you as a sophomore. Started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant with your favorite.
Sorry if it's dark. I don't have any better lighting in here. So we got to work with. Alright, you fucking stop piece, bitch. I don't know if this thing goes in the front or in the back. I'm assuming it goes in the back. There we go. Alright, so we got this side all buttoned up. Got this side all buttoned up. I'm going on the other side, put the O2 sensor in, tighten the clamp down, pretty much done.
On. That's one of my favorite memories that I've kept on the road with me. I know it's crazy how things change so quick. Went from rock bottom to all this fame and shit. But look, I couldn't love you, but I wished I could. Cause I got hurt and closed you off and you understood. But look, yeah, that's just blood on the leaves. The champagne tastes worse when it wasn't for free. That's why these thirsty bitches didn't come here with me. Move along, girl, there's nothing to see. And what a blessing every second is. Missed calls and messages. I'm missing nights when you would call, just checking in. The girl I love, I ain't seen her in months. It's just the cost of being up in the front. And yeah, we used to say this world was ours together. Yeah, the pain fades away, but the scars forever. And fate hurts, but remember the hope. Cause things change, but the memories don't. You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
the first cold start? I don't think I am. Alright, so as you guys noticed, the check engine light did come on. So I double checked my servo, but what I ended up doing was, when I took the cable out of it, I turned the servo all the way to the other side. And, which I don't know why, but maybe it's the position thing on the servo, it caused the check engine light to come on. But what I did was, I just reset it back to the original spot, plugged it back in, and the check engine light is gone.